Hello everyone, welcome back to the design studio. Today's video is a little different. I was aiming to finish a crochet kit tutorial to share with all of you as usual, something more creative, but instead life happened and now I'm taking you into my kitchen. Well, it's kind of creative too because I'm going to be making an arroz a la Valenciana.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
It's a Valencian rice. It's with chicken and vegetable. This is very dear to my heart because I love to make it for my kids and it reminds me when I was little. The version that I'm going to share with you, it's a Nicaraguan style. When I was searching for a good recipe, I learned that there is so many different kinds or versions because it's a Latin American dish that everybody makes it. So it's different according to different nationalities. Even the Philippines make it. There's Chilean, Nicaraguan, and many others. It is so interesting to see that there's so many versions. I am making this rice for a special get-together with families and friends to welcome our soon-to-arrive twin grandbabies. I have two challenges. That is for 60 people and I have never done this recipe for this amount of people and that we're taking it on a 4.5-hour trip, so we'll be sharing the process, the struggles, and tips along the way. In the description box, I'm going to add a link for you to download the recipe. I made 10 cups of rice already yesterday, and I put it in the refrigerator. I almost forgot that this one here also, these are just pre-cut. They're turkey hot dogs. You can add either chicken hot dogs or turkey hot dogs. I couldn't find the chicken one, so turkey, it's okay. And these are the condiments we're gonna be using. I'm gonna use butter, salt, and the vegetable oil was just a little bit when I made the rice. I'm adding 6 garlic cloves. I'm gonna start adding the garlic, the pepper, and the onions. I'm still cutting the onions a little bit smaller because I found pieces that were too big. Okay, so now I'm going to add the carrots with celery. What I'll do is I add them little by little so it gets really mixed. Last amount of carrots with celery. I wish you can smell it. It's already smelling delicious. If you don't eat animal protein, this could be just a vegetable rice. You don't have to add the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna start adding the ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. We call it salsa inglesa. It's a cup, but I'm gonna just add a little bit at a time. Okay? It's a cup of ketchup. So I'm just going to taste it and see if I like it. If I feel like it needs more sugar, I add a little bit more of the ketchup and I'll let you know. I really like it the way it is. I'm gonna continue adding the sauce. So it'll be a cup. Because I like the flavor as it is, but I'm gonna mix it with rice, so it needs to be a little bit heavier on the taste, because this is the base. Time to add the chicken. I'm gonna go same way that I did with the vegetables, little by little. So I'm gonna do 1/2. Same thing, mixing it really well. Before I add the rest of the chicken, I'm gonna add part of the rice because I can already see that it's going to be too much in here. So I'm gonna heat up already the other pot. And I'm gonna add butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the rice again, part of it, not all of it. I have another container just like this. It's a great tip to cook the rice the day before and use your rice cooker. It's so much easier. I can already see the improvement. When I did this rice before for a big quantity, but not as big as this, I was already worried at this moment because I saw that the rice was too mushy. I like the way it is, so I'm breaking it to then start blending everything in. I'm going to lower the temperature. Right now it's in medium. I'm gonna put it medium low. I need help with another spoon because this is getting heavier, so let me go get it. Yeah, between two it's better and faster. You don't want to be moving this too much. Okay, so I'm going to move a little bit of this into the smaller pot. Okay, so I decided to add more ketchup, so I am just adding another cup of ketchup. Next time I'm gonna be gradually adding the ketchup instead of now adding it at the end because it really needs it, especially the bigger pot. So I'm going to just mix a little bit more. So I'm just going to blend it in, mix it. So now I'm adding the hot dog. This is something also optional, but we all like it. It gives a little bit of a more interesting texture and flavor. So now the olives. So I'm gonna mix it very nicely. The way that we serve this rice is with sweet peas. We call it kitipoa. It is done. Yay! The moment of truth. Smells delicious. This is it. I love it. We add peas on top. It doesn't sound good, but it is good. I'm not going to open a can of peas and put it on. This is just my lunch before we take the road. But the rice came out delicious. I have to say that I probably have to perfect the rice texture. I feel like it's still a little mushy for my taste. But to tell you the truth, it is impossible for the amount of vegetables and amount of chicken that this has. I think the solution would be to add less chicken, and I didn't want to do that. Delicioso. And they are ready to go in the cooler. I'm going to make sure that they are sealed, and I'm going to put ice on the bottom. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more creative videos and fun videos like this. Until next time, goodbye.